Welcome back. We're here looking at the cryptocurrency market. This is gonna be my daily forecast for Monday, March 28, 2022. If you like to support our channel, you're gonna hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and we'll start by looking at Litecoin. So this market has been fairly dead for quite some time. Basically, I have the second half of 21 all the way into 22. This has been in technical downtrend, but there have been positive signs on the horizon the last few, basically the last 2 weeks, where mainly Litecoin and also Ethereum, also Bitcoin have been rallying. We are seeing a pullback here in Litecoin. It's trading at, give or take, at 123. It was all the way down to 92 and has recovered since then. And at this current stage, it's running into the top of the Bollinger Band. It's getting fairly overstretched. We're still bullish in the MACD, and also stochastic is bullish, even though we have crossed the signal line in the bullish territory. And RSI is turning around here, but overall it has been fairly bullish. And at this current stage, it may pull back towards the 50 moving average or the middle of the Bollinger Band. If that breaks, then we could see this drop back towards 93 down here in the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So if we manage to rally from here, then there are a few support resistance levels that we are going to have to overcome. The first one is here at 143. The second one here is at 154. But the cryptocurrency market in general has been kind of in this well, it has not been as bullish as it was back in 2020 and the first half of 2021. And usually it takes a break of around 2 years where it basically declines, and then it starts all over again. That has been the process for the cryptocurrency market for quite some time now. You can see that basically have a pause, then you rally, a pause, then you rallies, and then you go, and they're quite spontaneous. So at this current stage, this is a very long-term investment of mine, and I'm just going to keep it for a couple of years. And expectations is that this will go back to the previous highs here, and if it does, then it's a 4x investment, and that is not a bad investment. So if you look at Ethereum, this also is a pulling back. It did rally up towards give or take in 3,200 area, and then it now is pulling back. So we got fairly overstretched. Basically, we ran up to the top of the Bollinger Band, but also this is an area where we have had problems in the past as well. So this has been falling off a cliff. It has been trading in a range for basically in 2022, but of all of the cryptocurrency, this is probably the one that has the most value and the one that has been outperforming everything else. If you look at MACD, we can see that it is also bullish. Stochastic is bearish at this point. It's crossed the signal line, but it's in bullish territory, and the RSI is flat. So if we pull that back from here, then we may go back towards the 50 moving average down here at 2,824. Then we have the middle of the Bollinger Band at the 2,761, and then the very bottom, and that is basically the bottom of this range. We can see it tested here, also tested here, and both of those were areas where people were interested in basically buying into this market. And then that is basically down at 2,356. If we manage to take out the 200 moving average, then it is very likely that we'll go and retest these highs again, roughly 4,800 and so on. So it is in a range, and it's just a matter of time before we basically break out of this range. You can also see that the 50 moving average is about to turn around, and that could mean that we'll have a crossing of the 200 and the 50, and that usually means that we'll have another bullish run to the upside. So hope you find it helpful. You want to support our channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and good luck, and thank you very much.